motherfucker stays drunk, man. Old Jimmy. I thought he was a subscriber to my channel, but now I don't think he's the one. He said he ain't been watching my videos. Somebody's been watching them. Somebody subscribed to him. Probably or somebody trying to keep tabs on me or whatever. I hate to tell you, but it's going to be hard to catch me doing anything wrong, buddy. I don't really do shit. I mean, I don't do much to get in any kind of fucking trouble for real. And if I did do anything, goddamn, it'd be a hard motherfucking thing to be able to prove it in a court of law. I just ain't doing shit. Like I said earlier in my video, I don't do drugs anymore. It's something that you can't do being a truck driver. You'll end up losing your fucking career over it. I don't get women like I used to in my early days. I just don't have the opportunity or the personality. And I don't have the looks that I had in my 20s, so they're not coming at me like I used to, so it's just not something that I do anymore. I've been with 2 women since I've been out of prison. Both of them was dope heads, and I wouldn't even kiss them, much less do anything more intimate with. Other than get my rocks off, that was about it. I'm hoping I might find me a woman that I can be able to do everything with soon. Like I said, I was hoping Brittany was coming to stay with me for the weekend last weekend, but it wasn't. She didn't do it. I don't know what happened with that. Hopefully she will. We end up going to court, getting it ordered to where me and her could be together good. I'd probably marry that girl. I know I went to prison because of her. Back when I was young, she was underage. I still care about her, even though I did all that time in prison because of her. Give up all hope of me and my ex-wife getting back together. That ain't gonna happen. She hates my guts. She's got a protective order against me. I went into the hearing and had heard what she had to say, and I had a little bit to say myself. She said that I'd said some things when we were together that she don't ever want to be with me again. She wished she had never been with me to begin with. If she knew me, if she knew how I really, my inside, the type person that I really am, not what I tried to portray myself to be back when I was young. I threatened her a lot because I was scared that she was gonna cheat on me or do something like that, run off, whatever. So I used threats, and that was my way. I mean, I grew up, the world revolved around me. That was how I grew up, and that's kind of my train of thought back there. And I've grown up a whole lot since them days. I realized the world does not revolve around me. I've worked for everything that I've had since my grandpa passed away, and I'm still working today for everything that I have. Nobody gives me shit. Nobody's going to give me shit, more than likely. I mean, that's just the way life is. My life wasn't like that back in them days. Everything was given to me. And I got everything that I wanted. I didn't learn people skills. I didn't have any people skills. My people skills today still ain't great. But I'm not the same type. I'm way far from the person I was back in them days. I got with a woman today. I'm more in the frame of mind that she's with me because she wants to be with me. And the day comes and she doesn't want to be with me anymore. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. She can go wherever, do whatever she wants. And I'm also at the frame of mind today that if a woman was with me and she went and was with another man, I wouldn't want her anymore after that anyway. I'm not going to threaten her. I'm not going to do a goddamn thing about it. I'm definitely not going to do nothing to him. I mean, that's human nature. Married or not, men get with married women all the time. Married women go out and get with men all the time. That's human nature. I'm not going to ruin the rest of my life because of it. Bitch wants to go be with another man, and I don't want her for myself anymore. She can go be with somebody else or wherever. She can go live on the fucking street or whatever. I don't give a damn after she goes to be with somebody else. I want a woman that's going to be my woman. No other woman. Nobody, no other man ever. Not even think about or want another man ever. Not even a motherfucking superstar, movie star, motherfucker. I want a woman that wants to be with me, and that's the way it is. Don't never want to be with nobody but me. If she's ever with somebody else, then fuck off. I don't want you no more. You're done. I'm done with you. Especially after we done took vows to each other. Vows mean something. What's the point of marriage if it's okay to run off and change your mind and get a divorce later? What's the point of marrying to begin with? Just be boyfriend, girlfriend until you decide you want to do something else and go on about your fucking business. Marriage is supposed to mean that y'all are committing to each other for the rest of your life, good times and bad times, no matter what. If you believe in divorce, if you believe it's okay to divorce, then what the fuck is the point in marriage to begin with? Now, there's plenty of cases where people get together and they're okay with their partner being with somebody else. Some people even get off on it, watching them being with other people or having multiple people at one time, having somebody else come in with you and your wife or whatever. Some people are okay with that. And if that's how you live and that's how y'all choose, that's fine. But that's not how I see it. And that's not the way I like it and want it. My wife wanted to get a woman come in with us at one point, and I tried to get this girl to come, but I don't know why she didn't, because the girl liked women too. She liked women, but she never would come up here and be with me and my wife. She wanted to be with me only and run around with other people. At the time, women, men, whatever, but she wouldn't come up here and be with me and my wife. And I don't understand it. My wife was gorgeous. Still is today. She's still beautiful today, but she ain't mine no more. But my wife ended up getting jealous because the girl wouldn't come up here and be with us as a couple. But she wanted to keep hanging out with me, just me and her. So my wife ended up getting jealous over that shit. And that kind of was part of us having some of our troubles in our marriage. But even with all that going on, I still didn't really want that. I mean, I was going to do it for her because she wanted the girl to come up here and get with us. Actually, we did. Yeah, we did have a girl come up here, a different girl come up here and got with us at one point, and with, and I've had sexual relationship with since I was 17, and I love her to death. I grew up with her. I mean, we was kids together all the way up, and I still care about the girl a lot, but not like that. And sex between us was never good. And when she come up there and got with me and my wife together, all three of us, sex wasn't that good then neither. Because it's just, I don't know, it's just something about it, being with her, it's never been good. I don't know why. I've had really good sex with some women, quite a few women. I've had some really good sex, but with her, and goddamn, the girl's gorgeous, man, she's gorgeous. Missy, you know who you are. But sex was never good between us. I don't know why. Maybe it's because we were so close when we was young. It was like brother and sister or something. But when we started having sex when I was 17, we never had a good sexual relationship. I'm attracted to her still today. I mean, we're both old and not the good looking people that we was in our 20s, but she's still good looking. And I am attracted to her. But sex has never been good with us. But I didn't want that with me and my wife. I didn't want to see my wife with another person, even if it's a woman. I didn't want it. Some people do. Each his own. I mean, some people like being with people of their own sex, and if that's what you like, I mean, that's each his own. But I could never be with a man ever. That's not something that I could do. I'm just not attracted, no way, shape, or form to I can't look at another motherfucking penis and get sexually aroused. I couldn't do it. To each his own. Anybody hopefully watches this video, I'll give a few shouts out. Jimmy, Missy, Sarah, Charlie, Taylor, Sam, Jesse, Brittany, Kimber, Sierra, I'll give you a shout out too. And Stephanie. Bob Lester, one of my best friends growing up. That was my dog, man. We wasn't friends for, well, maybe a year or so. Man, I thought he was the coolest dude in the world. I got 3 grandsons. My daughter Taylor, she got 3 boys. Give a shout out to all 3 of y'all boys. Y'all see this video. It's your grandpa, truck driving down the road, passing by Charlottesville, Virginia. Making that money. all the women I've ever been with. I don't even remember half of y'all's names, but giving a shout out to all of y'all, every last one of you. At least 150 or more. Give a shout out to all of you. Quite a few of you I really liked a lot. Most all of you I didn't hardly know at all. But a few of you that I did know, obviously it didn't work out. Looking back on my life, the way I've been, my ways, I don't blame you. A few of you that I didn't choose to make any more with, I don't blame me. Big shout out to Randall Tickle. I love that motherfucker, man. That was a cool son of a bitch. That was my dog, man. Me and him went to prison, our first prison sentence together, over his own brother, which I was tight with him too. He testified against us, and I believe there was more to it than just testifying against us. I believe he was actually trying to set me up, probably Randall too, with shit, and I don't know what the fuck he did it for, but you're a piece of shit, boy. You're a piece of shit. But Randall kept it real, and you're a cool motherfucking dude, boy. I wish I could run into you. Loved you like a brother. I got two brothers out there. I give a shout out to Cody and Chaz. I don't know my brothers all that well, but they both seem to be pretty cool motherfuckers too, man. They seem to be living a pretty decent life and doing right in life, which like I say, I fucked my life up quite a bit. I got a hell of a criminal record. Spent quite a bit of my time in prison. Mom, she's still alive and driving a dump truck. Cheryl. Pulling this truck stop, I gotta do my logs here, Gordonsville, Virginia. I don't know if it caught it in my other video or not that I posted, but when I'm headed back, I normally just record my time while I'm passing the exit and then do my logs later. But when I'm coming in, I gotta stop and do my logs on my way in. I can't skip that. If I got pulled over with my logs headed back, showing that I'm driving, I'm still good. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. It shows that I'm still driving. I don't have to be logged in after I'm within 150 miles of my home base because I'm agricultural exempt. I deliver agriculture, produce. So I don't have to log until I'm 150 miles out. But if I am logged in, like I say, coming back, when I'm coming back, it ain't a big deal if I'm still logged in, as long as I'm not, like if I got pulled over down the road here, past 150 miles from my base, and I don't have my logs right, then I would be in violation. And I don't want no violations, don't need no violations, so I gotta stop on my way down and do my logs here. Which I still do my paper logs. Which the way they explained to me, I'm allowed to still do paper logs. Everybody went to electronic, which I believe is a must. You have to do electronic now if you're going outside of the state. Well, since I'm only inside the state, I don't have to do electronic. I can still do paper logs. So, and my truck don't have electronic logs in it. So that's another reason why I'm still on paper logs. This truck does have an electronic log, but since I've attempted it once and I did something wrong, I don't know what, they got to show me exactly how to do them. I'm used to doing the paper logs, and that's how I keep my logs on paper right here. What they look like so far, but by the end of the day they'll be filled out all the way out to the end here, and the rest of these numbers will be filled in, and mileage at the top will be filled in. to do the back too. It's that's for your pre-trip inspection. Which I pre-trip the trailer. I pre-trip the trailer before I leave the plant where I pick it up at. I do all that there, which I'm not on logs yet because I don't have to be until I'm 150 miles out. So when I get here, I've already pre-tripped the trailer. So I go ahead and put, then I, you know, my pre-trip on down now with the odometer now and all that. But I've already pre-tripped the trailer and done it, you know, done all my inspection on it. Seen everything working and right. Everything's good with it. And my truck, I check my truck every day when I first get to it. Most every day. I ain't gonna say I do it every single day because sometimes I don't. But usually I'm really good about it. I do check my oil and my fluids. I do look at the tires and look at but make sure all the lights are working. Anything that I find wrong with any truck, I always, even if it's something like a light in here that doesn't work or something small that doesn't even matter when it comes to, you know, doing work. If there's anything wrong with a truck, my boss hears about it. I think he gets tired of hearing me always coming to him with shit wrong with trucks, because any little things wrong with a truck means time and money to fix. I don't know if he likes it or not, but he hears it anyway, because I want to see everything on it, so it's working and right. I want a truck that's got everything on it right. I don't want nothing wrong with it. Every little light, every little thing. I don't give a fuck what it is, man. I want it right. I don't want something that ain't right. I like that my lights work, which my lights. See, there ain't much room in this truck. If I was in my truck, that bed would be on back there. You got enough space right here to where you can walk around right there. You won't, I mean, I got a big ass cab truck, man. I love my truck. I couldn't touch my bed like this on my truck. I'd have to kind of like lean way back to touch my bed back in the back of my truck. I could reach behind me like this and open my fridge door, and there's a fridge right here behind me. And up here on the other side, up top, is a microwave, and then there's other cabinets and shit up there too. There's a place for TV if you want, which I'd like to mount a TV in there. I'd like to mount a TV up here on the front to where it would swivel like it does, mine at home does, and I'd be able to move it around different spots and have it up here in the front. That's the way I'd like to do mine, but I can't do that in that truck because I don't own the truck. My boss owns the truck. He might give me the okay to, I don't know, I'd have to ask him. But I'd like to get the satellite for the top for TV and that thing as well. Of course, I don't really need it. It's just, it'd be nice to have it. I use my tablets for TV and games, GPS. I use my tablets for every fucking thing. My tablets are up here on the front, which I think I showed you in my other video how they look on this truck. Now they look different on my truck. My truck has mounts that mounts them, and I got my truck looking pretty good the way I got it set up. And then my second phone is down here at the CD player hooked in, playing my music, which by the way I'm gonna change. Been listening to Less Than Jake this whole time. I think we can listen to something else. I kind of feel like the softer, easier music right now is what I kind of want to hear, so I'm I'm gonna go from Less Than Jake to listen to a little bit of the Ramones. I don't wanna grow up. I love my LG, man. LG makes probably the best devices that I've found yet out there. I like it better than Apple, and Apple makes some good shit. But something I'll never put money into again is Samsung. Anybody out there that works for Samsung or hears me say it, y'all suck ass. Samsung is some shit. I got that, one of my tablets, they talked me into buying a Samsung tablet, and I'm so disappointed with it. My Asus tablet, I ended up breaking it, and I had to, since I'm paying for the contract on a line, I had to get another tablet for that line. They talked me into buying that Samsung, and I'm so disappointed with that fucking tablet. It's some shit. My other tablet's an Ellipsis, and it's better than the Samsung, but it's nowhere near as good as that Asus, man. That was a good tablet. As soon as I get situated to where I can put another $200 out for a tablet, I'm gonna go get me another better tablet. I'm either gonna get me an Apple or I'm gonna get me another Asus. I'm gonna give me some more good shit. My tablets I'm not exactly satisfied with, but they do what I need them to do. And my phone is awesome. It's LG. My other phone down here playing music, it's an LG. That's the G6 down there. Let's see. I'd still be using it right now for what I'm using this for, but I broke it. It fell off the mount. One of the cheap mounts sucked to the fucking windshield. Dropped it. It fell off the fucking windshield, and the tablet fell right down on a bolt head, just like that. Bam. I mean, not tablet, but the phone. It broke it, son of a bitch. It still works though. But I'm the type of person where I'm still using it, but I had to have me something good and nice. So I went and got the G7. The G7 is what this is here. ThinQ, and it's badass. It's a nice fucking phone, man. I love it. I still love my G6, so that G6, that's a nice piece. Yeah, I get the chance, so I'm gonna buy me 2 different tablets, good tablets. I paid $84 for that goddamn Samsung Tab A, and if y'all see me reach up and have to do something, it's because while my GPS, it'll cut off and I gotta restart it. That fucking sucks. Games that I play on it, the games that I play with, I play Golf Clash quite a bit. That's my go-to game, and I love that game. But on that tablet, man, I erased the game off of it. I don't even play a game on that no more because it has the twitch where my phones are smooth and does like it's ought to do. The Ellipsis does okay with the games. The only thing that Samsung tablet to me is good for is it has a real nice picture for watching TV and movies on. That's the only thing that I'm happy with that tablet about. I watch movies on it and it's got a good picture. away from my destination, so 1 hour and 20 minutes when I get rolling, I'll be there. Hopefully they'll have a parking space for me to park and sleep for the night. If I chose to, I could park here. It's not here where I'm parked right now, just doing my logs, but in the back here, it's a truck stop. I can go back here and find me a parking space, sleep here for the night. But then when I got up in the morning, I'd have to drive an hour and 20 minutes before I got there. I gotta be there. I gotta be at Food Line distribution center at 9 o'clock. As long as I roll in there at 9 o'clock, I'm on time. But then once I get there, just like the other day, I sat 4 fucking hours before they gave me a dock to back into. And then I was there another 4 hours before they fucking unloaded my goddamn trailer and got me my paperwork to where I could leave. I hate that fucking place, man. I hate that place.